Just and Fair Delimitation JFD has asserted that mass demonstration from public will be decided based on the response given by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand's late government on the demand for delayed census exercise in Manipur. JFD had maintained that the decision to hold a mass movement will be taken after Yaoshang festival. Speaking in a discussion program to deliberate on census exercise in Manipur held at Wangoi Lekfrakpam Makhalekai Community Hall, Finance Secretary of JFD Sunil Karam said census is conducted every 10 years to project on how much funds and projects to be allotted for citizens based on the population. The upcoming census is crucial for indigenous communities in Manipur as the state faces uncertainties. The census of conducting without a prior verification and identification of illegal immigrants will prove to be detrimental for indigenous communities. JFD has been demanding the postponement of the census exercise in Manipur in view of the vulnerable and fragile situation of Manipur. However, the government has not given any response as of now on the demand. While urging the relevant authority to be considerate on people's demand, a JFD also warned of mass agitation if census is carried out before fulfilling the demand for identification of illegal immigrants in the state.
Lengaka appeal to Census April Tidorina, Namtuna, Ataka Arona say, Chibuki Manunga, Ipurgome Namalay Marina, Manipurgomena, Pudi Census Kimatanga, Parola Mamiam, the Napoli Gometi, Amatamu, I don't know. Pudi, Highway, I don't know what's right. I Get our Kragadi, I put the next, we put the command of Gakana, Nasi, Pamaga, Wali Sajumaka, Lamzao, the Togana, protest Kadone. I don't know if you know, have a matanga. I could say the idea of a soap of Nandana. I could say taking E9 Kadana. I could yoke Todana. The more than a period of Walisanaga, the cook Tiba, you cook Tiba, Matam Kurt, they took and Z, I said, she never. I know, Yaoshang or a kind of meat worker. She no need Matansi Gomena, Machin Chumaba, Gomeno Indiana Machin Chumaba, Chief Minister and Home Minister, the Walika Gary said, I could worry country, worry Hangani, Unara, Unatil Rock, I said, Man, a people of the Batuna, I could be the top of that. So I stopped a
On the other hand, convener of JFD, Jitendra Ningomba, urged the MLAs, ministers in the state to take steps to postpone the census exercise in Manipur. He further urged the centre to facilitate NRC or similar exercise to identify illegal immigrants first, so that indigenous communities who are citizens of India can be safeguarded against obstructing of rights and resources by illegal immigrants.
Civil society organization Open Topola, Mahoda Tona, Villa, Mahoda Tonga, Laiva, Setiba, February, Tasi, Manda, Census, Yato, Hungary, Yato, Hava, Pietro, Manipuri, on the Columbia, Columbia, had others of down, Hey, Mohudi Tonale, and November. Census, Yato, many Yato, Kavalo, Census, Yato, and I said already, you don't know the door. I do for the answer, Hungary, A. Gumba, Economy. Kangoya and Kali, Adusu, 9 minutes in Martin, I did Kamala Crazy. Kaluma, Makoduna, I mean a Makanda, Avisana Sumi, Lady Publicity, Nakuna, me was in Tiva, I would be, me, Sansala Tiu, the Marina. Cookie is a lot of cookie, Tivomati, the Gamati, and Randa, to the Moduli, Piano was singing, soon one cookie was singing. I couldn't put the labor, Zatina, out of the knee. Così Iran che para tanto usando topi lagi fare insomma come anche fare in termini per come ya dire pregadi che te lo dice senza se tu tieni di sia così muovo di su cambio